Hi guys, good afternoon. So today, I will share ko ano yung nagiging preparation ko for my son's first big birthday, which is on April 28. So we decided na magpa-Jollibee Kids Party na lang. So i-share namin kung ano yung mga preparations na ginagawa ko, and then kung magkano yung naging bill namin and kung paano yung ginawa ko. So first, pumunta kami sa pinakamalapit na Jollibee branch dito sa location namin, which is sa May Kawayan Alim. So, nung pagpunta ko doon, in-entertain ako nung crew nila, and then they give me this pamphlet. And then, the first thing is, tinanong nila ako kung anong oras, and anong date, or at anong oras ang gusto ko. May choice. So, yung napili ko, preferably, ang gusto ko talaga is April 28, 3 to 5 p.m. But then, may nauna na sa amin nun. So, tatlo yung, I think, apat yung available slot ng time. So, it is 9 to 11, 12 to 2, 3 to 5, and then 6 to 8, I think. Parang ganun. So, nakuha namin, instead na 3 to 5, ang nakuha kong slot is 12 to 2, which is okay naman since hindi din siya maaga, hindi rin siya late. So, lunchtime na talaga siya. So, dito, at the back of this pamphlet, nakalagay yung mga party themes, and then yung party favors, which is kailangan or mandatory. Hindi mo siya pwedeng tanggalin. And then, kung gusto mong mag-add ng cakes or loot bags, andito rin. And then your meal bundle. So, let's start. Is to choose from any party teams nila na available. So, since lalaki yung anak ko, and I choose the Jolly Race. This one. Magpipili ka ng theme kung anong gusto mo. And then, may mga branches na hindi available yung Fairyland, katulad dun sa amin. Which is okay naman since lalaki ng anak ko. Ang available lang, which is this one, unisex, the Jolly Town theme park, and the Jolly Race, specifically for boys. And then yung step 2, mag-check out ka na for party favors. So, party favors, so, kailangan talaga siya i-avail. Kasama na yung 15 invitations, party hats, name tags, balloons, activity trays, 10 loot bags, game prizes, gift for the celebrant, and then yung appearance ni Jollibee. And then, sa step 2B, so, since ayoko nang magpagawa or mag-personalize ng cake para less hassle na rin, di na ako mag-iisip, I choose this one, this regular red ribbon cake, which is 771, and then nag-add na lang ako ng party toppers, which is 110. So, meron silang dalawang size, which is the regular and the large, and then dalawang, I think parang flavors, which is the chocolate dedication cake and the rainbow dedication cake. So, may pagkakaiba lang ng prices, which is hindi naman malayo. And then, for the loot bag, since 10 lang yung available doon, instead na mag-avail ako ng 70 pesos each, ang ginawa ko is nag-DIY na lang ako ng sarili kong loot bags, I mean. And then, since 15 kids lang naman yung parang guest ko, I just add 5 loot bags na lang. So, sa step 3, choose your meal bundle na. So, in my case, since I have 25 adults, guest na adult, and then 15 na kids, I choose meal bundle A for the kids, and then meal bundle B for the adults. So, yan yung mga food na included. So, in-offeran ako nung crew nila na i-avail ko daw yung meal bundle B, tas hatiin ko na lang daw sa adult. Kaso nga lang, walang drink yung kids, since yung pineapple juice and then yung chicken joy and fries mapupunta siya sa adult, and then yung choco sundae and then yung spaghetti mapupunta siya sa kids. So, parang ang nakukulangan ako since lunchtime nga nun. So, I choose meal bundle A and meal bundle B. And then, mas mahal pa siya kung tutuusin, kung yun yung magiging ano. Sa 30 packs, mas mahal siya sa 296. So, yung sa 214 tsaka 286, mas nakamura ko. Sa 40 packs yun. Okay? And then, after choosing that, papapirmahin ka na nila ng parang contract para to settle down, and then yung down payment na. And then so, ito yung naging breakdown nung sa akin. So, sa 214 times 15, 3,210, and then 286 times 25, 7,150. Yung party favors, 2,500, and then yung cake, 771, and cake toppers, 110. The total is 13,741. Tapos may down payment ako na 4,500, pero ang minimum down payment naman is 3,000. So, dinagdagan ko lang yung akin. And then, balance ko na lang is 9,241. So, nagpa-extra ako or additional, which is 5 persons or adults, which is 1,430. The total of my balance is 10,671. So, itong extra or additional, estimated ko lang yan. But, si Jollibee, magpo-provide naman siya ng food if ever sumobra yung guest. And if in case magkulang naman, hindi naman dumalo lahat ng guest, and then sumobra yung pagkain, pwede mo naman siyang i-take out. So, ayun, yung magiging preparations ko for my son's first birthday. So, tip lang, magpa-book kayo ng appointment or kids party ahead of time. Kasi, in my case, 1 month before pa lang, nagpa-book na ako ng Jollibee party ng anak ko. But then, hindi ko pa rin nakuha yung slot na gusto ko. So, mas maaga, mas better. Siguro mga 2 months before or 1 month before, pwede na siguro yun. Ayun lang. Thank you.